So first we're going to fill our tub with enough water so that there's like a decent amount there because we want to be able to have good flow throughout the entire circuit. But one thing you don't want is the water level to rise above either the open slit or the hole on the other side. So when you get your tubs, I would just mark a little line or a piece of tape where you don't want your students to have the water level above. So now we're going to start putting in more of the components. So first we're going to use the motor with the power turned off. So make sure that the power is turned off for this entire part until the complete circuit is made so you don't have any unwanted flow of water. First, make sure that your motor is set to the lowest power. So in this case, I have the inlet for the water positioned as far away from the nozzle of the motor as possible. And to fix it to the side of the tub, just insert it in the water and then give a little bit of pressure so that the suction cups stick to the side of the tub. When you place it in, make sure that it's on the side with the hole and not the open slot. That'll be used. That'll be important for how we put in our longer pipes. To introduce our first pipe, we're just going to place it on the mouth of the nozzle and then lay the length of the pipe along the open slit. So this is one half of our circuit. So to fix the other end of the pipe, we're going to first use one of the smaller pieces and insert that into a straight connector, and then insert the other side of the straight connector to the long pipe. So this is the half that's going to be submerged into the pipe and allow the water to flow back into the tub. So with the first long pipe, we have one half of our circuit. This is how the water is going to flow out of the tub. So now let's put together the other half of the pipe where the water flows back into the tub. So first you're going to take your long pipe and just feed it through the hole that's right above the motor. Now you're going to take one of the straight connectors and insert it into the pipe. So the last part you need for this half is to get one of the smaller pieces of pipe and then put it on the other side of the straight connector. So this is the end of the pipe that'll feed water back into the tub, and you want to make sure that it's inserted enough into the hole so that the water that flows out of this end goes directly into the water. You don't want a lot of splashes. So now you should have two disconnected long pipes. One that has water flowing out of the tub and another one that has water flowing into the tub. So for the rest of this project, you're going to be inserting different components in between these two pipes to create different circuits. You're going to be inserting various components in between these two pipes to create different kinds of circuits.